After I exited my first technology startup, I thought I had a little bit of wealth. So I wanted to have it professionally managed, so I went to an active wealth manager. Well, I left that meeting feeling quite embarrassed and silly when I found out that the minimum to even really have a conversation was $250,000. Now, this is a problem that actually plagues over 183 million Americans. I am Calvin Williams, and for the past 14 years, I've had a career in both finance and technology. And along with my team of 15 people, we formed Freeman Capital, with the vision of bringing active wealth management to everyone with a minimum investment of just $1,000. We are the first regulated active wealth management platform for retail customers that also provides investments in managed Forex and managed futures. Our attraction to date, it starts with our 60,000 online member community, which is growing at a rate of over 12% month over month. This then leads to our website where we are converting over 7% of our visitors into signups, which then amounts to over 4,200 individuals and over $8 million waiting to invest on our platform. We formed a beta in January and began trading and making profits for our customers. Our model is that we have a B2B and a B2C strategy focusing on our target demographics where we already have traction, 6 cities, which have over $6.6 billion assets available for management. Our revenue projection is making $150,000 this year and helping 1,600 people build their wealth while scaling up to over $14 million in revenue by year 2. What we're looking for is investors and partners that can help us scale, bring this product to market, and to truly help everyone feel inclusive and so that no one else feels that feeling of rejection. I am Calvin Williams. This is Freeman Capital, and wealth starts here. Thank you.
So, two questions. One is,
yes, sir.
What makes you different than other capital companies?
So first is that we are the first regulated firm that is offering retail customers managed exposure into alternate investment classes. So if you're already wealthy, you have someone that is doing that for you, and they are then allocating them from 12% to 25% into these asset classes, while the retail public is left to just be in the stock market. That's what makes us unique. There is no one else in the country doing that, and we found that out personally when we got audited 2 weeks after we were first opened in 2016.
Okay. So I'm an investor. Let's say you got 40 investors back there ready to invest.
Yep.
What would be your compelling statement to attract them?
So one, we can bring you diversification. You all are probably watching your 401ks. They're going in a lot of different directions now. We can diversify your funds and decrease your risk, because each one of our trading programs has a maximum risk loss. This means that before you even get started, you know your maximum loss for that month. No one else is providing that because they aren't doing active wealth management. And we are operational right now. You can go to freemancapital.co, not .com, and you can sign up and you can get a trial, or you can use our product now. That's what makes us unique, and that's a potential exit too for those firms that are already operational.
Okay, 2 questions. One has to do with the managed exposure and the last comment about the risk management.
Yes, sir.
So how do you structure that? I mean, because most risk management tools in the marketplace are, options tools of some type. Tell me how do you execute that strategy?
So can you restate the question? I'm sorry.
So you say you have
2 parts.
maximum risk. I have my second question's coming up.
Okay.
So maximum risk loss is one of your products. How do you execute that strategy?
What we have is that within our trading structure, we have multiple layers of automation and artificial intelligence. One basics is that every single trade has a maximum loss. Then we have another layer of portfolio management, which then ensures that based off of your account size, there's a maximum percent drawdown that you can have. If that then happens, we take you out of all investments until the next month.
Just your revenue model, how do you make money?
I did speak to that. So we charge the customers really love our fee model because we have what we call as our no fee guarantee, which is that we only charge you fees when we make you money, of which is 25% of every dollar that the customers make.
There's a reason that most money managers have a minimum, in that it costs a lot of money to get a new client. how is your expense structure different such that you can afford to do business with $1,000 clients?
So one, our customer oh, I'll tell you later.
Ladies and gentlemen, Freeman Capital.